Listen, I said I was born ready. I said I was born ready. On team, living good, yeah, I don't know, I've been ready. Born ready, yeah. I said I was born ready. On team, living good, yeah, I don't know, I stay steady. Born ready. I said I was born ready. I said I was born ready.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel called Dylan Games Tutorials. My primary channel is Dylan Games, so I'll put a link in the description so you can go subscribe to my other channel. But right now, the reason you clicked on this video was because the title said how to post a video on YouTube. So that is what we're going to be walking through today. Pretty much before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Dylan Games Tutorials and to Dylan Games, and let's begin. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to YouTube, and assume you're already in your account, you're going to click here and go upload video. Now I'm already right here, so pretty much it'll take you to this screen and you have to select the file. So if I go to my file, I'll just pick a video. So now what you're going to do is you're going to give it a title. So in this case, you have to do it. Gotta like and subscribe. So put your title, because that is what you do to pretty much make sure that they click on the video and to capture their interest. Then you're going to want to put it in a description. So pretty much a description, it describes the video, and you can also put social media links in there. And in my description, there's going to be links for some channels to follow and stuff. But yeah, you can put in your intro, whatever. Then there's the thumbnail. Now, thumbnail is one of the most important parts because it captures your viewers' attention on the little because it's a photo. So you can like over here and here, once it's completely finished uploading, then it will show you some auto-generated parts from your video, pictures from your video, and it will automatically do it here. Or you could upload your own custom thumbnail that you can make. And some sites that I recommend to do that are Canva or Placeit, and I will put those links in the description too. Then if you have any playlists, I currently have no playlists, but you can select a playlist and basically the video will go in there. Now, the audience, is this video made for kids? It's required. It's either the COPPA Protection Act. You can, if your video is made for kids, you can say yes, it's made for kids. If it's not, no, it's not made for kids. I would recommend, even if it's made for kids, I recommend putting it no, it's not made for kids, because if you put yes, then it has a bunch of kids features like comments are disabled and stuff like that. So you can do that, but I would just recommend doing this even if it is made for kids. Oh, and if you come up here, see there's some auto-generated clips, thumbnails. Then you can go to more options. You can add some tags, like that. So basically you can tag people or whatever. Then you don't have to, and by the way, this is on computer. On phone is different. You can select your English, or whatever country you're from. You can select the language, and then you can put a recording date just so they know where you can record. And you can also do a video location. So you can put California if you took the video in California. Now the category, it's not that important, but there's different categories like film and animation, education, and you can just disable comments. You can hold all comments for review, so it won't be posted right away. YouTube will review them and make sure that they're okay. You can hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, and then you can just allow all comments. Now if you go up, I'm just going to press this just so we can move on. Now, video elements. So you can add cards or add an end screen. So pretty much an end screen, it's at the end of the video. It'll pop up. So at the end of the video, it will have this, and it'll have your channel. If you hover over this little dot here, then it will say subscribe, and you can subscribe, and you can also have a video. You can also add a card, which is a little card that pops up in the top right corner of your screen when watching the video. It's like a link, so if you click on it, it could take you to a channel or anything. The last thing is visibility. So you can post it to your private so nobody else can see it, only the people who you choose to see it. And there's unlisted, so you can give people the link to watch it. And then there's public, so everybody can watch it. And you can also set it as an instant premiere. So that means you can select a time to make your video public. So yeah, so tomorrow at 12 o'clock a.m. my video will be released and everybody can see it. So that is it. Details, video elements, and visibility. And then you can put schedule. I'm not going to post this. But then you can put schedule, or in that case, you can do save or publish, and everybody can see your video. So anyways, that is the end of the tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to go subscribe to Viber, Hub, and Merrick Performing. Their links are in the description below. And anyways, have a great day, everybody.